Caleb, quick, revive. Oh no. Guys, ready? Vlog debut. Laura's in the vlog.
What's up,
This
vlog?
is Laura's fucking
This
first
has
time in
been
the vlog.
my most awaited moment. I'm so happy to be.
This is what it looks like when we're setting up at St. Andrews.
This is exactly it.
This is exactly it. It's literally a tons of chefs in the kitchen.
Let's go. Penis.
Do you want to be in the vlog?
Also penis.
What just happened?
Stop turning your goddamn head, Kelsey.
Absolutely.
All right.
I'm gonna fucking
Guys,
buzz you
this is
down the
what's
middle.
happening at the show right now.
Keep my face out of this, all right?
I'm keeping the face out.
All right, you'll be next.
Yeah, I tried buzzing.
Fresh edge.
I tried buzzing my undercut earlier and I fucked up the back. So Xavier's fixing it
It's
for
fixing
me.
for you. I see. I love that. I love that. I've been told Rossi's sandwiches are the best sandwiches to get in Poughkeepsie.
That's the best Italian sandwich in the country.
Yes, let's stand up.
Had Rossi's.
No, I've never had
That's wild.
Rossi's, and I just opened it. I think I'm gonna treat. How is yours looking?
It's absolutely perfect.
Oh my gosh, that is
I mean,
thick
I'm
sandwich.
just starstruck right now. I'm starstruck.
What are your thoughts?
It was life changing.
Very surprised they use like.
What? That's what I ordered.
Noel
Is back
Yo,
in the
here I
vlog.
am in the
I
vlog,
don't
vlogging it up.
remember when his last appearance was, but he's here now. You guys, I've been experimenting with clay a lot recently, and I just made an incense holder, and check it out. Like, it's not perfect, but I don't know, I think it's really cute. On the past few clay projects I've had have looked like complete ass, like really bad, so I'm pretty proud of this. Caleb recently had to get his heart monitored, and this is what it looks like.
The Holter monitor pads. This one is stuck to my chest hair, so you guys get to hear me scream very loudly. All right, I'm just gonna rip it off. Are you ready? I count backwards from 3. 3, 2, 1. It actually took so long.
Show it to the viewers. Oh my god! Wait, that's so many.
It hurt.
Oh, are you okay?
Fine.
Love is for fools, 'cause nobody gives a fuck. No, nobody gives a fuck.
I feel liberated, over medicated. It was overrated. Say what you want, I can tell by the look on your face. Let me out of here. I've been gone so long. Don't you know that this is the moment you're watching us throw it away? Cody the Red, he had a break. He's finding out that nobody gives a fuck.
Oh, we're doing scratch.
Now what happens? Oh.
That's the line.
Oh. Nice. Good job. What happens now? Thank you. Wait, what was it for?
That nobody gives a fuck.